Release the past, let go of stress, and restore your energy. This guided meditation is a Theta frequency meditation. It is designed to help your mind and body gently release what has been carried for too long. Maybe stress, maybe emotional tension, mental overload, physical discomfort, or the weight of a difficult experience, while also helping you reconnect with your own natural energy, strength, and inner balance. Sometimes we consciously know that something is over, and yet the body still holds on. The body keeps the score. This process simply gives the body a safe and natural way to let go, recover, and reset. Take 1 minute to write down what you want to release today. Maybe the emotion, maybe the event, maybe the person you keep ruminating over and over again. So you decide what you are releasing today. Done? Good. Before we begin, let's practice 2 simple movements with the body. We will use the breath to release the emotion, the tension, the stress, an emotional overload, repetitive thoughts, or a painful memory about an event or about a relationship that is stuck in your mind. You will first breathe in deeply, as if gathering that sensation, that emotion, or that old energy. Then gently turn your head to the left, toward the past, and breathe out fully, as if releasing it, sending it away, letting the body clear what no longer needs to stay. That will be repeated until feeling it all out. And when that release feels complete, you will gently bring your head back to the center, reconnecting with the present moment. In a second time, we will also use the same movement differently to recover lost energy, strength, and vitality from the past and bring them back into the present. Let's practice again. The head will turn gently to the left side. Breathe in that energy of yours. Then turn your head to the center and breathe it out into the present, as if you were collecting back what was yours from the beginning. Let's practice once more. Breathe in, turn left, breathe out, and release. Then breathe in from the left, turn to the center, and breathe out what is yours. And now, simply allow your mind and body to understand these movements naturally. Let's start the meditation. First, take a moment to sit gently in a way you will be able to turn the head as needed, from left to center. Make sure nobody can interrupt this session. You may want to use wireless headphones to feel free with your body. And simply close your eyes. Take a deep breath so the body can begin to release something. It is as if the body can begin to prepare for change. And the idea is simply to observe how the body prepares itself to change. Notice that what moves in the hand, in the throat, as if the body remembers this relaxing state. As if the body already knows how to enter this state of trance. As if with the rhythm of the music, the body can return to this familiar experience. The same sensations, like giving yourself a pause, like entering a bubble of well-being, a bubble of comfort, and simply observing how the body prepares for change. If the head naturally moves forward, if the hand keeps moving, maybe what works best for the body is simply to feel pleasantly relaxed. Sometimes there is heaviness in the shoulders, in the back, in the legs, in the feet, even heaviness in the thoughts. And it is like exploring deeper and deeper with the head curling slightly inward, entering more and more into this world of change, of resources, reconnecting with everything already inside, breathing while the mind travels, and letting the mind go inward toward that place, that dream place, that place where thoughts dream, where ideas dream, where the body rests, and with the rhythm of the music settling there. Take a moment now to feel this period of time, maybe since January of this year, everything that happened. Take a moment to settle into the sensations of the body and to feel all the stress the body has been carrying. Feel the accumulated fatigue. Feel the sleep debt. Feel the unhealthy conditioning that may have developed. Feel all those nights when the body woke too early or too late. Feel the insomnia, as if the body became full of sleeplessness. Maybe you feel it in the stomach, maybe in the arms, maybe in the legs, maybe in the face, as a tension, as something keeping the body awake, as something preventing the body from going deeper into rest. Feel all this stress. Feel how it changes your breathing. Feel how it changes the body, as if the body has lost energy. Feel any physical discomfort, any inflammation, any tension, any exhaustion, any area of the body that has been holding too much for too long. And now, allow the body to find its right place again, to realign. to rebalance. Because consciously, you already know. You know some things are over. You know certain chapters are finished. And yet, maybe the body still needs time to understand. Maybe the body still needs to find its place again. To feel aligned again. To feel balanced again. And now, if there is still tension, stress, heaviness, sleeplessness, physical discomfort, fatigue, you can begin releasing it. Take a deep breath. Turn your head gently to the left, toward the past. And exhale everything out, as if sending it back into the past, like a cleansing. Breathe again. Turn to the left. Exhale. Release. Then return your head to the center. Notice what is still there. And repeat at your own rhythm. Release the sleeplessness. Release the stress. Release the heaviness. Release the discomfort. Release the tension in the stomach. Keep turning, breathing out. Release what is in the arms and the legs and the back, and especially in the head, as if the head had become full of stress, full of tension, full of emotional overload, full of physical fatigue. Keep releasing until the body begins to feel calmer, until the stomach feels lighter, until the arms feel lighter, until the legs feel lighter, until the head feels clearer. Let the unconscious do the work. Let the body decide, not the mind, until you feel ready to close that chapter and move on. And I will give you 30 seconds, 1 minute, a time with silence to keep on until you finish. Very well. Now, notice something else, and let's start the second part of this process. Maybe some of your energy was left behind in that difficult period. Energy used to fight, energy used to struggle, energy used to survive, energy used to stay awake, energy used to managing discomfort, energy used in emotional pain. And now, in a different movement, turn your head gently to the left again. But this time, go back to collect that energy. Breathe in deeply, like collecting light, like breathing in your lost strength, your warmth, your vitality. Bring it back. Head to center. Turn your head to the center, looking forward. And breathe out that energy into the present. again and again. Bring back movement, bring back life, bring back vitality from left to center, into the hands, into the arms, into the legs, into the feet, into the face, into the back, into the breath, as if the body becomes alive again, rebalanced, readjusted, restarted, launching itself on new foundations. And now, what is the energy of this new month, this new week, this new semester, this year? A new beginning. Now I'll let you continue the movement from left to center. A new beginning, renewal, movement, possibility has become. Maybe it is deeply restful nights. Maybe it is peaceful sleep. Maybe it is vivid dreams, or maybe it is much more than sleep. Maybe it is what you do during the day, how you feel with people, how you move through life, how you experience change. Take that energy, place it in your hands, your fingers, your wrists, your legs, your mind. And when you open your eyes, you simply allow all this to continue without effort, without forcing, like a lighthouse spreading light around itself. Feeling well, feeling ready, feeling alive, and allowing everything to continue naturally, because everything is already in place. Welcome back to clarity. Open your eyes, open your heart. The sky is blue.